In the last lecture, we have made CLR1 parsing table with the grammar. Now, from here we can see clearly that in I0 state there is no problem because only shift is there, and I1 state there is no problem. And in the similar way, so we'll write here in I0 in I1 state no problem, and in the similar way I2 and I3 there is no problem because only shift is there. So in I2 shift and I3 shift is there, so in I2 and I3 state no problem. But now I'll see in I4 state. In I4 state reduction is there, but in I4 state reduction and the third production is completed, so we will write R3. But the main thing is here what we have, look at symbol we have AB, look at symbol we have A oblique B, and in the similar way we have I7 state where third production is completed, but look at symbol is dollar in I7. Production R3, but look at symbol is dollar. So if we talk about LR0, if we talk about LR0 grammar, LR0 parser, so we will write R3 everywhere in the table, like R3, R3, R3 everywhere in the table. But because here what we are writing, we are working on CLR1 parser. So in CLR1 or before that, first we cross check for SLR1 parser. So what we are doing here in this what we are doing, according to the lookahead symbol we are writing the reduction. So we can say simply because here we are writing reduction according to look ahead symbol, so definitely more states than LR0, so more cost. So more states than LR0, so more costly. Fine. So it is CLR. This is CLR because according to the table we have C, there is no conflict, so this is CLR. So thus it is CLR because this is CLR, so it is also LR0 and SLR. So from the table, as we have seen in the last lecture, there is no conflict, so definitely this is a CLR as we are working on CLR. So because according to the lookahead symbol we are writing the reduction, so there is no problem at all. So no more number of states than LR0, so definitely costly because this is CLR, so it is also LR0 and SLR1. So there are some important points which we need to know, so I am going to write these points. What these points are: compressed form of CLR1 is known as LALR1 parser. Compressed form of CLR1 is known as LALR1 parser. And what else? CLR1 is more powerful and most costly, because if two states are differ, because if two states are differ only by look ahead symbols, we consider them, then we consider them two different states. Consider them two different states. What else? To reduce the cost of CLR1, we are applying minimization algo on CLR1 parser, and in LALR1 parser, if two states only differ by look ahead symbol, then we considered them as a single state. So these are few important things about the CLR and SLR and LALR1 parser. So how we can use minimization, we will see in the next lecture.